Welcome back. Well, we'll be talking about earnings very soon. Sandeep Mothangi, IT analyst at IIFL is with us. Sandeep, hi, good morning. So let's start with the leader of the pack. That's changed from TCS to Infosys now, of course, for over the last 6 months or so. How are you looking at the sector overall and Infosys in particular?
Yeah, hey, hi. Thanks for having me. This quarter is a bit of a jinxed quarter for Infosys. It's been disappointing, especially in the fourth quarter for the past couple of years. Now this time I think it will be different. Expectations are pretty reasonable. The guidance itself implies a 2% plus growth for the quarter. So I think they should do about that much. See, one of the differences this year, this is the thing that we get asked the most actually, is what has changed in Infosys and what gives people confidence that they'll do good, they'll do well this quarter. One of the things that's changed in Infosys is their large deal wins. If you look at the 9-month large deal announced TCV of Infosys, it's up about 34%. Now in this quarter where discretionary spending doesn't have a larger role to play, this is the base that you are really relying on to give you that growth. So I think they should do about 2%. Margins in general for the sector should be a bit better this quarter. Rupee has depreciated a bit. Last quarter you had that one-off impact of Chennai. That should not be there. So margins we think won't decline for Infosys in this quarter.
Okay. For the sector as a whole, Sandeep, how much margin improvement do you expect? Because the Chennai flood impact won't be there?
Yeah, so some companies did not have too much of an impact because of even Chennai last quarter. Some companies had, as you would know. In general, I would look at a 30 to 60 basis points expansion of margins for most companies. Tech Mahindra would have salary hikes and other issues, so I don't think their margins will expand. But in general, I'm looking at a 30 to 60 bips margin improvement in the quarter.
Okay, what about TCS?
TCS, yeah, they had the impact of Chennai, and TCS managed margins pretty well over the past couple of years. So I think their margins should improve in the quarter. I'm at 60 bips improvement for TCS for the quarter.
Okay. All right, Sandeep, we've completely run out of time, but thanks very much for joining in and taking us through all of your views on the IT space. So yes, Infosys is going to kick off the Q4 FY16 earnings season this week itself. But the Nifty 7550 absolutely flat, mid caps outperforming. It's a wrap on trading hour. Stay tuned. Halftime report up next.